my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm just so excited for today's video because I made 4 DIYs using Dollar Tree items and a few things that I just have at home. And oh my god, guys, I love how all these projects turn out and they have a really high-end looking. They are going to be for Christmas and I just hope that you like them, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and I have so many DIYs coming soon, so make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video, and let's get started. Okay guys, for the first project I will be using this Dollar Tree elf basket, and I love it because it is just the perfect size for my project. And the first thing I did was remove the detail that has felt on the edge of my basket. Once you remove the felt, you also have to cut that small piece that my basket has. I think you can get this basket in like the Santa Claus version and the elf version, so it's going to depend on what basket you found. This basket is going to be like my Christmas tree color, so I have to make a small hole in the base to be able to place the tree inside. And before making the hole, I first decide to put some hot glue where I want to cut, just to prevent it from breaking later. It is just for safety. Once the hot glue is dry, you can cut a small hole in your basket with a razor or scissors. You can leave your basket like this, or you can maybe put any lid or some kind of ribbon in the hole so that it looks much better when you paint it. I want it to look like a rattan basket, so I'm going to be painting everything with my spray paint in matte river rock color, and I give it 2 coats for a better coverage and then let it dry. Once it is dry, you can leave it like that if you like it, or maybe you can put some kind of like stain or wax in antique color to give it a little more dimension to the basket. Now that the base is ready, we are going to be working with the Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and I'm going to be using it too, and I'm going to be placing them together, and that way it's going to look much more fuller. And to join them, you can use some Dollar Tree tree branches that have wire, or maybe you can use any kind of like floral tape in green color, and from there you just have to spread out all the branches from your Christmas tree. Once your Christmas tree is ready, you can place it inside the hole of your basket, and you must put only on one of your trees the base that they're supposed to have, and that way your tree is going to stand up. You can decorate your tree as you like in the colors that you have chosen for this Christmas, and I'm going to be gluing some Dollar Tree berries and some pine cones. For the top of the tree, I decided to place a small bow that I made with this neutral ribbon that I have at home. I think it's from Walmart or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. And finally, if you want, you can put snow with this spray that I get from Walmart. And the best way to apply your snow is to put the spray on the top of the tree and spray down to make it look more realistic. Once finished, this is how it looks. And guys, oh my god, I really love the vase and the colors. And remember that if you put two Dollar Tree Christmas together, you can make it look much better and with a high-end looking. For the next project, you can use these table tennis balls from Dollar Tree, or you can also use foam balls. These are like floral balls that you can get in the floral section. And I'm going to be using the foam balls in the smallest size. And I'm also going to be using burlap fabric. I bought this roll at Walmart for less than $7 in the floral section. And I'm going to be cutting a fairly long and wide strip. The first thing I'm going to do is to glue the foam balls to one side of the burlap fabric, leaving about an inch of separation between each one. I used 2 packages of these floral foam, so it will be 12 foam balls in total, but you can use the amount that you like for your project. From there, I'm going to start rolling the balls with my burlap fabric, creating like a burrito. And I cut the strip wide enough to be able to give it several turns so that the white color of the balls will not be noticed. Now, I found these berries in Dollar Tree and I love them, and they have wire on them. So I start using them to tie the burlap, and I'm going to be placing them in the middle of each space where the balls are. At the beginning, I start using only the berries with the wire to tie a knot, but then I decided to use some twine, and it became much easier for me and faster. And then you can place the berries where they go. At first, I put berries in each space, but then I decided to remove some of them so that they look like a pattern, one yes, one no. And then where the berries are, I decided to glue pieces of pine picks that I just have at home, and I glue them with hot glue, and I really like how they look. At each end of the garland, you can place a few pieces of pine picks much larger so that they stand out a little bit more, and you can tie a piece of twine just to hang your garland. I put my garland on this shelf that I have, and I really love how it looks. Oh my god, I really like it. I use 12 of these foam balls to create my garland, but you can use more and make your garland longer, and you can put it on your mantle or maybe on your Christmas tree. For the next project, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree bucket, and I love the size of it, and it comes in different colors. I choose the red color, and I'm going to be sticking this decal that I made with my Cricut. I left the SVG file for you guys in the description box of this video for free, so you can get it, or you can use maybe any kind of sticker or stencil if you want. From there, I'm going to fill the bucket a bit with plastic bags and then paper on top. I wanted to add some color and texture to this project, so I decided to put some burlap fabric around my bucket. For the snowballs, I'm going to be placing several packages of the Dollar Tree foam balls in different sizes. Finally, I decided to add a little bit of the snow in spray on the top so that it falls a little bit on the bucket for a nice touch. And that's all, guys. This will be the result of this project, and it is one of my kids' favorites, and they have already started like the snowball fight. And where I live, we don't have snow for winter, so I think this is the perfect winter touch in my home, and of course it is the perfect DIY to play. So, you know. For the last project, I'm going to be using this canvas. I find it in the thrift store for only $2. And the first thing I did was to remove the staples to separate the wood frame from the canvas fabric. Guys, you can recreate this project using an old big picture frame that you have, or maybe making a frame with wood sticks. And for the back, you can use a foam board from Dollar Tree. Once I have the wood frame, I decide to use some stain in the special walnut color and paint my frame and then let it dry. From there, I'm going to be reusing this canvas fabric, and first I decide to cut all the edges that are folded. Then I'm going to be painting everything with my Waverly chalk paint in this kind of red color tone, and I give it one coat of paint and let it dry. Now I'm going to be placing my canvas fabric back with my stapler, making sure that the canvas fabric is straight as possible to make it look nice. Guys, you can use a stencil, a decal, or you can use this big Merry Christmas sign from Dollar Tree. They also have wooden Christmas signs that says Merry and Bright or Let Us Know. And this one is completely full of glitter, and I'm not a big fan of the glitter, so I decide to remove all the glitter by sanding the sign. I know it's a little bit crazy and it took me a little while to do this, but I did it and it's worth it. Just put some music, grab some snack, and just take a big breath. To clean all my space and all the crazy mess of the glitter, I use my favorite tool, my mini vacuum, and I love this thing. Oh my god, I have this vacuum for a while and I love it. So in the description I left my Amazon link if you want one of these vacuums. Once my sign had no glitter, I give it a spray paint coat in ultra matte white color and then let it dry. I'm going to be sticking my Merry Christmas sign with hot glue in the center of my canvas. The letter M and the letter Y have a small hole, so I'm going to be sticking this neutral ribbon on them so that it looks like this Merry Christmas sign is hanging from the frame. From there, you can add some pine picks, berries, and mini pine cones to give your sign an extra touch. I put a tooth hanger on the back side of the sign to be able to hang it on the wall, and guys, this will be the result and I love it. It looks amazing with a high-end looking, and I really like the colors and the wood texture, and I just hope that you like it too. Please, if you like this video and these Christmas ideas, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these projects was your favorite. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are in the description box of this video. Love you so much, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.